Hi guys, so here we have today a Ring doorbell wired, and as you can see, it's one of these basic Ring doorbell, but still quite effective. So this one is just gonna be hardwired, and we're gonna use the existing wires that's already provided. And as you can see here, we have these two wires, which are 18 gauge wire, which preferably use. I mean, you could use other sizes like 22 gauge as well, but these are the ideal ones we normally use. So now we're gonna connect these wires to these screws. All right, and then that way we could create power to the doorbell, and then once you get power, then we go into setup mode. All right, stay tuned.